Everyone knows guac is extra. Yeah, extra expensive. A typical fast food burrito bowl is gonna cost you around $10. Here's how much money you can save by making your own. I was able to buy all these groceries for just 20 bucks. Now 20 is more than 10, but with all these ingredients, I can make multiple meals. Instead of ordering takeout, recreating those meals at home is gonna be more affordable and you'll get way more out of it. For less than $1, a pantry staple like canned beans is gonna give you 4 servings. You can save even more per serving by purchasing dry goods and canned goods in bulk. Instead of chicken breasts, purchase chicken thighs. They're gonna be more affordable per pound, easier to cook, and way more flavorful. 8 cents, 23 cents, $1.16, $1.16, 21 cents, 30 cents, 10 cents. For less than $4, we've got a delicious serving. And with these leftover ingredients, you can create many more meals. Hey, if you're craving a burrito, throw this in a tortilla. Bam! That's a newborn baby right there. This thing is huge. Everyone knows guac is extra. Yeah, extra expensive. Here's how to make better, affordable guacamole. When you purchase avocados, get the small ones. Those are gonna be less expensive. Guacamole is best fresh and made in small portions. What I do is make a pico de gallo first. That already looks fresh and delicious, and this will keep in the fridge for a few days. Leftover guacamole turns brown real quickly, so make it 1 avocado at a time. Give these a quick mash. Now, just a spoonful of that pico in there, salt, and my favorite part, lime. And now we mix. At your grocery store, look for fresh made chips. Those are usually more affordable and they're gonna taste way better. Less than $1, this guac is extra. Extra delicious. When it comes to affordable ingredients, you can't beat rice. And complete meals like chicken and rice dishes do not have to be bland. Here's how to make affordable and delicious chicken and rice. Individual spices can be a little expensive, so try different seasoning blends. These are gonna pack a ton of flavor without the need to purchase a bunch of individual seasonings. One-pot rice dishes are so versatile, you can add whatever veggies you want, even frozen vegetables, which will last longer and are sometimes cheaper. Toasting the rice will give you a nutty flavor and help with the texture. Smell it. Smell the nuttiness. This recipe uses canned diced tomatoes, but you can also find fire roasted for even more pizzazz. And instead of water, use chicken broth. Chicken and rice is an affordable, complete meal, and just by switching up those vegetables and the seasonings, you can have a totally different dish. When it comes to pasta and rice dishes, you can take a little bit of protein and stretch it into a fulfilling meal. Bon appetit. Setting aside money is not always the easiest thing to do. Here's some budgeting tips to help you spend wisely. Empower yourself to take control of your personal finances. If you're just getting started, this is as easy as listing out your personal expenses. Take advantage of spreadsheet templates and apps that'll help you keep track of your monthly expenses. When it comes to financial success, it's all about knowing where every cent is spent. If you're looking to get a hold of your personal finances, a simple principle you can follow is the 50-20-30 rule. From your total monthly income, you'll separate that into 3 categories: living expenses, savings, and spending. This 50% is the total you should be spending on rent, utilities, transportation, and groceries. 20% of that monthly income should go to savings. The remaining 30% is for fun stuff like coffee, dining, and entertainment. After all, the most important thing is to make sure you're living within your means. Of course, nowadays we don't have to manage this in cash, we can do it all digitally. It's a good idea to make a list or set reminders for subscriptions and any recurring bills. That way you can keep an eye on those charges and cancel things you're not using. At the end of the day, understanding your budget by monitoring your expenses is going to be the best way to achieve your financial goals. Once a year, it's a good idea to organize all around your house and set aside items you can get rid of. Here's how to turn unwanted items into some extra cash. After you're done decluttering, those extra items still have value. For clothing, if it's good quality and in good condition, take it to a secondhand shop. Marketplace apps are gonna be great for items like furniture, appliances, and some electronics. It's as easy as posting the item, it's passive, and as soon as you accept an offer, you get paid. And as a little PSA, whenever you're transferring items, just make sure you're doing it safely. For collectibles and valuables, post those on online auctions to get the most money. And when it comes to phones and computers, those often have trade-in value with the manufacturer. So why not turn that clutter into extra spending money? Thanks for watching Problem Solved. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos like these two right here.